episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making some delicious, chewy, soft oatmeal raisin cookies you have ever had before in your life. I'm trying to tell you, it's going to be good. It's going to be crispy around the edges, soft and chewy. So, as I put my ingredients in a bowl, I'm going to tell you the measurements and everything. And also in the description box is going to be the measurements there. And while you're down there, go ahead, comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload one of these delicious videos. Alright, so we got some melted butter here. You want it warm, cool down the butter. Alright, you don't want to put hot butter in here because you're going to be adding eggs. And these are 2 sticks of melted butter. Now you can go and you can do this with brown butter. Every ingredient is just brown your butter. Alright, so now we're going to start with 2 sticks of melted butter, 1 cup of half a cup of white granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. Alright, and you want to mix this together. And this is light brown sugar, so that was 1 cup of light brown sugar, a half a cup of white granulated sugar. Alright, then you want to come in with 2 eggs. And just whisk your eggs in there really well, like so. Then I have a teaspoon of molasses. Now the molasses helps make these cookies nice and chewy. I sprayed my bowl before putting my molasses in, so it'll come out nice and smooth, and I don't have to worry about leaving any molasses behind or that sticky film in my bowl that I can't get out. Alright, so spray your bowl with some cooking spray. Or you can butter your bowl if you don't like cooking spray. Mix this in really well. Okay. Alright, so we're going to move this to the side. So I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of cornstarch. Alright. I have a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a whole teaspoon of baking soda. Alright. I'm going to get that in there. And you want to take the fork and just mix this in to your flour mixture. Now I'm doing this in a measuring cup, but of course you can use a bowl. I just didn't want to wash all those dishes. So call me lazy, call it whatever. This is my kitchen. Anyway, you just hold that in there just like so. Alright. And we're going to bring back the beautiful mixture here. And we're going to go ahead and get that in there half at a time, because you want to be able to mix this in. And remember, we're going to add oats to this. Do not use cooked oats. You want to use old-fashioned oats. Alright. Now don't mix this all the way in. Stop about right here when you can still see some of the flour. And then just add the rest. Alright. Mix this in. I'm going to move to my spatula just for a second, but I'm going to come back to my whisk. I don't want flour flying everywhere. I'm just going to fold this in. And these cookies, just making them by hand. You don't even need a mixer. Not everybody got a mixer, you know. So I try to show you stuff I don't have to use with a mixer. So this is 2.5 cups of oats. I'm gonna get those oats in there. Hold those oats in really good. And look at that. This is a beautiful batter. Oatmeal cookies. And what you're gonna do, right, is once you get your batter made, because it's gonna be a little sticky, you're gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes to an hour. So now we're gonna add our 1 cup of raisins. If you like more raisins, add more raisins. Like less raisins, add less raisins. If you don't like the raisins, add chocolate chips instead of the raisins. Add cranberries, dried pineapples, whatever you want. You know, make it yours. Alright, so we're going to let this beautiful mixture sit in the refrigerator. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can even add nuts to this if you want. So, it's going to sit for an hour. I'm going to prepare my cookie sheets. And I'm going to clean up this mess. And when I come back, guys, we're going to start adding these to the cookie sheet. Get them into a 375-degree oven. Okay. So, this has been in for an hour. And now we're just going to scoop out this beautiful cookie dough. Come on, cookie dough. I guess because it's hard, kind of. I don't know. I might have to do it with my hands. I don't know. Okay, that's better. And my cookie scoop here. Come on out, come on out. It's going to spread, guys, so, you know, kind of keep them apart. Probably like 2 inches apart from each other. So they don't, you know, touch and convert together. You know, cookie dough be conspiring on us. You know, you can roll this up into a log and put it in the freezer, let it freeze up, and then just slice them like that, kind of like that. Alright, I can get one more on here. And we're going into a 375-degree oven for 11 to 13 minutes, or until our cookies are nice and golden brown. Alright, I'm going to use just half an inch. Alright, so I'm going to get this into my oven. When we come back, I'm going to have cooked all these cookies magically, and poof, they're going to be done and ready to go. Ready to go. Look at these cookies. They are beautiful right out of the oven. Look at this. They hot though. Look at that. That is a beautiful cookie. Look, look, look. Look at what I did. And they're still hot. So they fresh out the oven. Guys, I'm telling you. Oatmeal raisin cookies at its finest. So we're going to let these cool. And when we come back, we're going to give it a try. We're going to give it a try. Beautiful. You know, I'm touching them and I'm burning my hands at the same time. These are fresh out of the oven, babes. Fresh out of the oven cooker. These are my, I don't know if I told you this, oatmeal raisin cookies are my favorite cookies. I got my, you know I ain't playing. I got my pie holder here. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Gonna let y'all taste this amazing cookie. Alright, so this is the finish. It's still a little warm. Christmas season, when you bake these cookies, have it with a glass of eggnog. Again, my favorite cookie. Wait, an oatmeal raisin cookie. Look how soft that is breaking out apart. Goodness gracious. Mm. Your perfect balance of sweetness. The oats are kind of cakey, little bready, so soft, so delicious. Mm. I like crisp home. Absolutely amazing cookie. Look it up. You guys don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.